Hi guys, welcome to A Chihuahua's Diary. This video is an activity that I always wanted to do. Before I have Chai, I tried this project with Coco. I want Coco to feel comfortable with balloons. So I have this crazy idea to put a treat inside of the balloon, blow it, and then pop it. And then tell Coco, "Hey Coco, look, there's a treat inside of the balloon." Well, let me tell you, it didn't go that way. Reality is that after that, he became scared of the balloons. But then I got Chai, and I was thrilled to try again. I just try this time in a different way. If you notice in the video, I just placed a few balloons in the beginning. Look how he managed to move the treat ball around the balloons. When the balloon moved, he just became cautious. He was not scared of them because he didn't know what they were. And it helped that he didn't have the bad experience of hearing any of the balloons popped to make him freak out. We did it twice a day. I put the key ball in the treat bowl with his full meal. There is an interesting fact. I have to take Coco away, putting him in a different room because he was barking at Chai. It was like a warning barking. So yes, I have to take Coco out of the way so Chai can focus in the task and not be around of the anxious energy from Coco. So the first day was just Chai, the treat ball, and the balloons. I will fix what I did with Coco. Maybe Chai can help me with that in the future. But the protagonist in this video is little Chai. On the second day, I let Coco come over and I place his treat ball that is a little bigger so he can try. And look what he does. He just roll over the ball around the balloons and take it out of the balloon room. He is such a sneaky guy, very smart. Then I try again, and look what he did. He took the treat ball and take it out again. Usually it's Chai who is always observing what Coco does. But this time, Coco was the one who was observing what Chai was doing. Coco was in complete shock to see how this little guy was moving around between something that he was really scared of. So for me, all the process was extremely interesting in how both of my dogs behave, one as a puppy and my older dog, how fearful he was, how quickly puppies learn, how the little dogs learn from the big dogs, but the big dogs can learn from the little ones too. And overall, all the success that I have to experience doing this project. So I'm gonna leave you guys with the video. It's a little long, but I hope you enjoy it because at the end, it's just fun. Thanks for watching and see you guys in the next one.